let's move on to our smoky tomato soup. Now, tip here, you can make this raw by not adding in the vegetable broth and just making the base and warming it up in your blender, or of course my favorite, the Vitamix, until it's warm. And if you want other savory smoothie recipes that you could turn into soups, then head on over to the Master Food Artist and subscribe, and you're going to get those free recipes so that you can make them. All right, let's get on to that smoky tomato soup. So we're going to add some chopped Roma tomatoes, and celery will give it a salty flavor, a little bit of onion and sun-dried tomatoes for the richness. And then we're going to add some garlic, how much ever you like garlic, and a little bit of hot pepper. Now let's top it off with our secret ingredient, nutritional yeast and smoky paprika. And then you're going to blend this up until it's nice and warm. If you want to keep it raw, adding some shredded carrots and fresh peas and corn, and then topping that with the soup. If you want to cook this, you can add 2 cups of vegetable broth, blend it up again, and then heat it up. I love fresh dill in this, and eating it with flax crackers is amazing. Wasn't that just amazing? Now again, remember to head on over to the Master Food Artist and download that Smoothie Obsession, and it's got a lot of little surprises in there, and you'll really like that. And share and like this video, and until next time, I am hoping that I brought out the best in you and your food, and I loves you.